long time. It will be on July. Then when we have the first big mountain of salt just laying here and perfectly dried, the same pen that is filled up again, and in 30 days we are going to have the second harvesting. So 3 harvesting per year, just on July, August and September.
And they create the, let's say, pavimentation between the vats. So all those little paths going around the vat containing the salty water, that gray layer that you see is called mamma caura, and is this mud coming from the bottom of the vat. So they recycle this material that look like concrete but is not, or cement but is not. All the gray, very shimmering material is just coming from the bottom of the vat. Adriana.
Okay, so here we are. I think you can clearly distinguish.
Here you can see Abuela coming back, walking to the salt mine, very narrow piece of sidewalk, as you can see. Oh wow, amazing Abuela. Here you see your grandmother walking.
I thought it was
In
me.
a very, no, I'm taping her Stella like this, like I send it to the kids. Amazing.
How many tons was it they produced?
This is Stella walking in the salt mine. It's amazing. Today is Monday, June 3rd, 2019.
These are the salt panels. And this is a salt mine we're going to visit. And today is June 4th.
Difference. So here it is almost pink red color. It is the final deposit of iron, especially. It is the bottom that Martina mentioned before. It is the so-called mamma caura, hot mud. It is such a mud within the water, but it is like sand perfectly dry. That's why during maintenance we need a mamma caura lifting the bottom of each salting pen. So each salting pen, it is cleaned up every year during spring, nourishing for the skin. So there is also a cosmetic line made with the saltiest water, such as shower gel or face and body cream. It is disinfecting and antibacterial. Yes, sir.
Yes, if I recall correctly, the salt concentration in seawater is about 3.5%. So at this stage of the process, about what would the salt concentration be?
It is about 20%.
About 20.
Exactly. But at the very end, at 28 Beaumet degrees, we are going to have the final crystallization. So it is really a dense water. Consider that the outside it is such as that sea, so 3 times more than an open sea. But at the very end, 10 times more, I think. It is really, really dense.
Free percentage, the 28%.
A little bit, exactly.
Nice walk, Abuela.
On top of the windmill. And this is the one.
Over the
Yeah.
mound. How would they dry with those new mounds?
It just protects them from the wind blowing them away.
So there's this man walking the planks. And there are different lagoons or different plateaus according to where the salt goes in the shape. And then they move from one area to another. And then in the winter time, when they have the mounds of salt, they cover them with the tiles.
Maria. Island of Mothya is situated in the middle of the lagoon. It has circular shape and size about 45 hectares, 0.45 kilometers square. The sea level around the island is about 50 centimeters higher than it was during the Phoenician occupation, so unfortunately parts of the archaeological ruins have been covered by the sea. Mothya was probably an important logistic. Also, there were farms of Protestant ovens called Omegatide. They had an open structure of 2 floors, one of which was underground, a typical oven company in Palestine. About the results of the excavation, it made a complete picture of the history of Mothya. The excavations have brought to light some temples, walls, houses, large quantities of jewels, furniture, and various.
It's a piece of rock and a stick. So they know where they have to go, how to eat. The mainland, you can see that it's fading out in a bit, but this one, of course, was not submerged. At Phoenician time, the level of the water was low. Okay? Way out from the island. The lagoon there. This is the Stagnone Lagoon. Or good, or carried, or whatever they have. What is a rock? What is a rock? The lagoon, imagine that we have, I'll show you the map, it's easy.
I'm sorry, I won't be able to get it. How far away from the sea? How far away from the ocean?
We are eating this shallow water level, that's the why. So the water, and that's the why the sea is always kind of quiet, it's not rough, it doesn't get rough over here. It gets windy, and usually the wind builds up through the day, and that's the why we have kite surfers going around the area. We might see it if the wind builds up later. And you see, this is the island of Mothya. Can you see this strip of land? This is the coastway we are looking at. Okay? And it wasn't covered by the water at Phoenician times, of course, because it was the road. And it was still used in the 50s, in the 50s, 70s. People was the fruit from that was processed on the mainland. Okay? So you see that you have 4 islands, 4 small pieces of land around this Stagnone Lagoon, which is the natural reserve. Then the island that you see at the back are part of the Egadi Island group, one of the few groups belonging to Sicily. In Sicily we have a lot of minor
Arriving at Mothya. Small island.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Who founded basically this museum? There is also a statue with his face on the other side of the bar area in the museum.
In the island of Museo. And this man has done a lot of excavations, and he found a lot of things back in 1906. So it's very much like our weather, Mediterranean weather. And they say a lot of caterpillars, monarch caterpillars growing here. So some of the ruins that were excavated, and for a long time this was lower. This is right by the sea in the island of Masai, and it's really calm, a lot of pine trees, and the smell of the pines. Like one of the boats that we used to come to the island from Marsala. See the other 3 islands at the end there.
Ragazzi, on board the Sandro is there.
Oh, this was good. Let me put it in a bottle. Arriving in Marsala. And those are the salt mines over there. Because at the beginning it didn't sound so good.
Oh, I know, because I was so disappointed when we were in the town. I was really like, you know, I was in
In the following years, the island attracted the attention of Joseph White Taylor, who bought the island from numerous owners and